My name is Crystal and I am a unique presenter, and I'm going to show you a super fun fall-ish look. We're going to call it Fiercely Fall. It's got some darker colors. So I'm going to show you all the colors that I'm going to use and then we'll get started. I'm going to use Alive. It's a very pretty greenish color. Lively, orangey. Fervent, it's a deep burgundy. And optimistic. I keep talking. So let's get started. We're going to start with Lively, and I'm going to use my deluxe brush. This is a nice brush for most eyeshadow looks. I like it for sweeping over the majority of my eye. So I'm going to start with Lively, or I'm sorry, Alive. I said that wrong. And I'm just going to get it on both sides, and we're just going to go over the lid and then up past the crease just a little bit. Now I obviously already did my base face, my eye primer, all those things. So all we're going to do is our eye look. And if you go back and look at the description of this video, it's going to tell you all the different products I used and the shades. Okay, so I'm going pretty heavy on this, but as you can see, if you just use a little, if I just do a little on this one, they're very buildable, okay? They're very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. So I always do just a little at a time until I get the color I want. So that's Lively. Again, I said this wrong how many times now? See, it's fun. Anybody can do this. You can do this. Now, I guess I'm just excited about Lively. So I'm going to go into Lively now. That's the orange color. And I'm just going to do that across the crease, okay? Right across here to the outer edge. Then I'm going to blend these two together. So sometimes when you're doing your eye looks, they might seem a little too bold for your liking. I don't believe anything such thing as too bold, but for you, maybe it is a little bit too bold, and that's okay. That's why we blend them out, okay? And that's why we start with less color, because we can always add more, right? So I'm going to take this blending brush, and I am just going to blend those two together, okay? And I'm very, very lightly blending. Okay, look at how pretty that is. Look how it just blends out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And I'm just doing one eye just to save time. So you're going to do obviously the same thing, but this keeps a little shorter for you, and then you can always go back and watch again. So I'm going to do just a little bit more towards the corner. We'll blend that out too. So that little brush I used, that's called our crease brush. All right, so that was Lively, the color I was very excited to talk about. Now I'm going to go in with my Fervent. And Fervent is that deep burgundy, and I'm going to use another crease brush. Now you can just clean your brush in between. We have a brush cleaner. Dries, disinfects instantly. So you don't have to have more than one of these brushes, but I do mostly just for time savings so that I can get through this quickly for you. Okay, so I'm going very light just below where I did Lively, okay? So I'm not covering up all of Lively. I'm just going below it, and then once I get to the outer corner, I'm going to do a little bit more, okay? And I'm going to come back in just like that. Do you see that? Kind of like a V, a little bit, okay? I'm going to do this a little bit heavy because, again, I'm going to blend it out. And we can come back in if we want to darken it back up. Isn't that pretty? So when you're looking at those 4 colors right away, before you start putting them on and blending them, some people I know are like, oh, I can't wear those colors. You can wear these colors. You can totally wear these colors, okay? Because you can wear any colors you want. I know a lot of us are stuck in our routines and we like to wear things that are our comfort, but it's kind of fun just to get out of that comfort level and try some new looks. So I'm going to go back in just a little bit in that corner just so that you can see a little bit more of that Fervent. I really love this color. And I really love this lip with it. Again, I'll put all that, will be in the description that you saw when you clicked on this video. But this is our liquid splash lipstick. Splash liquid, sorry, in Successful, so super pretty. But, so there is that. I'm going to blend that just a little bit more at the top. So if you feel like you have kind of a line, just blend it somewhere. Alright, so now we're going to go into our last color, and that's Optimistic. And I'm going to use another crease brush, but this is the fluffy crease. So this is kind of in between a crease and a blending. But I'm just going to go right into the Optimistic. Now this one has quite a bit of shimmer. So I just use a little bit, even blow on it just to get off any extra. And I'm going right under my brow bone. See how that just brightens it all up? Now I only did it on the side, so I'm going to flip it over and just blend that out. Super easy. I'm going to take, this has a little bit of a tapered end on it, so I did a little bit more, just a little. I'm going to go in that corner. Look at that. Look how that just brightens everything up. You can even pull it down if you want a little bit below. So when you take a really light color in the corner of your eye, it just makes your eye pop and open it up just a little bit more. So that is our Fiercely Fall look. Again, I just did the one eye just to keep this a little bit brief for you. I'm going to continue on with my Prominent Color liquid liner. That's a brown kind of with a shimmer in it. And I'm going to follow up with a Lash Primer. That's going to condition and lengthen and thicken your lashes. And then I'm going to follow that for the finishing touch of Epic Mascara. So look in the description for all those things. Message me for any questions. And I hope you enjoyed this look. Have a great day.